How to create a business continuity plan.
Creating a business continuity plan involves several key steps to ensure that your business can keep running smoothly during unexpected disruptions. Here are 7 steps for creating a robust business continuity plan. 1. Start by identifying the scope of your plan, focusing on critical business functions and processes that are essential to your operations. 2. Conduct a business impact analysis to determine how different types of disruptions could affect your operations and what risks are associated with each scenario. 3. Gather a team from various departments to bring diverse perspectives and expertise to the planning process. This team should assess all aspects of the business and ensure that all critical areas are covered. 4. Develop recovery strategies for each critical function, detailing specific actions to be taken in the event of a disruption, such as switching to remote work or sourcing materials from alternative suppliers, etc. 5. Build effective communication plan and ensure that your plan includes clear communication strategies to keep employees, customers, and stakeholders informed during the crisis. The plan must outline who communicates what information, through what channels, and at what frequency. 6. Embed suitable training stints to ensure employees understand the continuity plan, as well as their roles and responsibilities, while executing the plan. Schedule training and dry runs to prepare your team to implement the business continuity plan effectively. Remember, regular drills help to identify gaps or any weaknesses in the plan, which must then be plugged appropriately. 7. Finally, review and update your business continuity plan regularly to keep it relevant by accommodating new business processes, changes in your operational structure, and/or emerging threats. This ongoing process ensures that your business continuity plan evolves in line with your business, maintaining its relevance and effectiveness in safeguarding continuity of your operations.
Visit drshrutibhat.com for more information on operational excellence and product development, industry-specific case studies and free white papers.